Hey folks, hey, creeping on this Jeep Wrangler over here, I noticed that the exhaust hanger is broken. Okay, this comes normally with the tailpipe itself. It's welded under here, so that broke off. We're gonna do a replacement there, and then underneath, look by the muffler there, there's the other one that's broken. So the only thing that's holding this is the cat converter. So what we're gonna do is jerry rig this up with some stuff from AutoZone. So this one over here, they only have one of these in stock. You can use one of these if you want, like that, and put the little muffler clamp holding it. Or I'm going to do it this one here. I'm going to use these factory 2 bolts here, bolt this up here, and this is what's going to go here with a clamp, hold it onto there. And I'm going to use this other one back there, hook it to that rubber thing, and then put the seat clamp over there, the muffler clamp. So this is what I'm using. Short Built makes it. This hanger here. This is that long funny one over here, and this bottom piece here swivels. Okay, so you can go right around the pipe. These are your 2 1/4 inch muffler clamps, and your best friend is going to be PB Blaster, because the 2 here that go into the frame where I'm going to put that bracket on, with this rusted Jeep, we're going to try to save those threads in there. Or there's a nut in there, I'm not sure, but I'm going to soak it. The best way to do it without snapping it, just do a 1/4 turn and then tighten it back up, 1/2 turn, tighten it back up. You keep going back and forth, a little patience, and it won't snap on you. If you go and bully it and just snap it right off, then you're screwed. All right, and I'm going to try to keep this original one on here. I'm going to put the bracket maybe in front of it, only because if the customer goes and gets an exhaust system done later on down the years, I don't want to throw this bracket off and then that person's not going to have the bracket there no more. All right, so I'm just going to remove this broken piece here, let it hang there, and I'll show you what it looks like after I do the job. All right, there'll be a tight spot underneath. Let's do it. Did I tell you that these freaking things suck, these rubber things? I know there's a tool for it, but you get a pair of channel locks, you'll be able to kind of squeeze that nose in there and force it out. Then you'll be able to spin it out. It ain't easy, especially when there's rust fall in your eyes. Be very, very careful, people. All right, let's try. Let's put the other one in. Ouch. All right, folks, so here is your nice solid exhaust now. Okay, I used the 2 bolts there. I kept the original bracket in there, so in case later on when I need to put the original exhaust in, that rubber piece and the bracket will be there. Okay, 2 1/4 inch clamps, turn this 180 and you're good there. And then when I go inside to the muffler, I used the one that has a little hook, hooked it in that factory bracket, bent it, and then we grabbed the muffler end right there, tighten it up, and we are good to go. All right, solid as a rock. No more movements. Okay, now it's nice secured. You're not going to break the pipe in front of the muffler or anything like that. Okay, that's it. Those are the pieces that I took off. I know there's a tool to knock those out, but listen, pair of pliers, squeeze it right out with a little WD-40 or PB Blaster, and you're good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao.